You shouldn't have.
Oh, come on. The coffee shop is just on the way.
You shouldn't have used a family emergency or wedding as a cover.
You lost me, Kemi.
I know you came over to monitor me.
Okay. You got me.
Why?
Because I was worried about you and the profitability of the Lagos branch.
Why don't you let me worry about running my own branch?
Maybe we should drop 1 or 2 envelopes in the right places so that we can get the office off the ground.
No, I strongly reject that idea.
Well, I don't see you doing anything else.
You know I'm still trying to be an SAN. I can't have that kind of dirt attached to my name.
Fair enough. So, let me handle things then.
Well, we can handle things without being unethical.
I hear you. I really do. But you see, I can be here, and the Abuja branch will still function and be profitable. Can you say same for this branch? Even if I am here and on seat, it's still not profitable. Come on, Kemi, let's face reality.
Truth is also bitter. It leaves a bad taste in your mouth. No wonder it's so hard to swallow.
Good. News from upstairs says that one of you is about to be bumped ahead.
Like to partner?
Funny. That's my fault. I worded my tidbit wrongly. Let me rephrase. Coal is pruning the dead weight around here, so which means that those who get left behind get benefits. So you see, potential good news for one of you.
Okay, well, that escalated quickly.
Maybe we should stop.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. But we're the big rim besties. Roommates for each other.
Hey. You've been drinking.
I'm high, not drunk.
Oh, she's finally here.
Oh.
It feels so good.
Yeah, behave.
Don't now.
So, where are the others?
According to the group chat, they're on their way.
Why do I even bother? How far now? What do you... Oh, Mike? Okay, can you...
Now that the truth has ruined our hearing and violated our taste buds, what are we to do? Or will we pretend to be hard of hearing and hope the bitter cup passes on?
Let's